Hi there, this is Heavennature Toy Collector. I'm doing unboxing for Hot Toys War Machine Mark IV, and here we go. Wow, this is a piece. Ooh, very nice. Wow, it's damn heavy, man. So this will come with the Don Cheeto helmet, head scopes. Let me do a quick unboxing. It comes with a Don Cheeto scope and a camouflage paint, and also this is the normal faceplate. Okay, and rifle at the back. And it's a fist hand with the I think a sound wave gun. And here we have the articulation hand and the signature repulsor blast hand, I think. Okay, so and when we go to the accessories, then we have the launching missile, and this is the machine mini rifle, and also this is the rifle, can interchangeable within the arms. Okay, so here's the basic base, rectangular base with a war machine plate. So let's take a quick look. This is the heaviest Iron Man I have owned so far. I mean, in the Iron Man series. Heavy. Okay.